Yeah, YouTube. I ain't recorded, but I got my rear resonators deleted today. Straight pipe sounds sweet. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I'm gonna see when I edit this jump. On my way to Brody, on Pennsylvania Avenue. Y'all comment down below wherever y'all from. It's Pennsylvania Avenue, the hood. It's always Pennsylvania Avenue and Martin Luther King. I don't know if they did that shit on purpose. But yeah, y'all see that 222. Ready to receive. But now I'm just gonna give y'all little pulls once I get out this traffic.
Speed trap reported ahead.
We heard you. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna let y'all hear. Probably put attach a cold start in the morning. But this jump loud as shit, man. At first, originally, all I had was an H pipe. I took off the mid suitcase. All I had was an H pipe, and I don't know if they damn. I put some resonators to replace the mid jump, but I forgot what they was called. To be honest with y'all. Damn. They're like Duromax, something like that. I'm gonna find it for y'all. I'm gonna pin it. Yeah, that's all I had originally. I left the suitcase on. Actually, right here. Right there. I ain't even took them in the garage yet. Yeah, big boy RT. It's the Black Pearl. I call it a Black Pearl, man. Man, it's my little baby, man. Love it to death. But yeah, I'm gonna get y'all some pulls once we get out the traffic. Oh yeah, we finally out of traffic. Yeah, little pulls. We on the south right now. About to head to Branch. I like the way it sounds. Way louder.